I'm on the road in Pelham, Alabama, and it's kind of a cool story about why. First off, I don't normally trailer my bikes. I'd love to ride this thing up here, but I just picked up this 2003 Road King a few weeks ago, and it's a bit ugly, but it has really low mileage. But the problem is the tires are not safe, so I trailered it up here to Bad Boy Toyz in Pelham, Alabama, and here's why I'm here. I just ran into a couple of their bikes at Panama City Beach and shot some short videos of them that got like over 1 million views, and they started getting calls from people wanting to help them build bikes. So they decided to help me out, and they're gonna help me make this ugly Road King into something fitting of that name, the King. And so we're here to get that started. Well, first things first, I had to get the bike up to Pelham in the first place, so I threw it on the trailer down on the Alabama Gulf Coast and hauled it up about 4 hours north to Pelham.
Hi, I'm Dan from Bad Boy Toyz. Anybody who comes in, they'll bring their bikes. I'll go in my office, take all their information down, and go on from there. This is our bike room, the lab. So we've got 4 lifts in here. Break them down, build them back up, make them look pretty. We do servicing, building, prefab, custom, audio, whatever you want done, we'll do it to a bike.
Yes, please, all of that and more. But we got to come up with a plan for this bike. I just know one thing, that it's a King, and I have a thing for Elvis, so we're calling it the King, and it's going to be an Elvis theme. But exactly what that means is still up in the air. We sat around the table talking about it for over an hour before I left the bike there and came up with some rockin' ideas.
One thing you'll find out about me, I hate Me Too stuff.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah, I mean, I got ones like Me Too.
Like some of my bikes, you know, like my Dyna, a lot of people don't like it at all, but I'm like, I don't care. First off, that one's going to the grave with me. And there's not literally anyone that looks anything like that anywhere. He was a captain of the Memphis Police Reserve. Right. I'd love to, since it is a police bike, put that on there somewhere. So I kind of like the ones that, and part of it's for comfort, but also for the look, where they come back and then they curve back this way. So
they go forward like bull.
Yeah, it looks like that 80s BMX look where it's pressed forward, but it comes back first, so you're not like reaching for it. All right, the King project is officially underway. Stay tuned on the Biker.TV show and all our social media to follow along with this build. I can't wait to see how this thing looks, and I can't wait to ride it for real.